હંમેશા ચોક્કસ રહે.
Minister Pokhriyal, thank you for speaking to us here on India Today. There is a lot of apprehension, a lot of anxiety, but a lot of anticipation also that, finally, after all these weeks of suspense, finally, there is going to be clarity on when the exam dates are going to be. So we will await your announcement that's coming up at 6 p.m. Now I want to go to the people whose lives are directly impacted by the announcement that is going to be made in just about 45 minutes from now. The students, the teachers and the parents. Let's put them on our screen right now. The students and the teachers who we are speaking to at this point of time. I hope Principal Renu Sehgal and Principal Rashmi Malik will permit me to first ask the students what they think, because they're the ones who are going to take the exams, and then I'm going to come to you for an expert view. And not for a moment is this to suggest that your anxieties are any less, because as the principals and teachers, I know what sleepless nights you people also have, madams, when it comes to exams not being clear. So I'd also like to welcome onto our show Anjali Kumari, who's a 10th class student, and we have with us Palak Deda, who's a 12th standard student as well. Palak, I'd like to start with you. In 45 minutes from now, the Education Minister, the government, is going to finally announce the dates for the exams. What are you expecting and what?
In April or May.
You want the exams to be in April or May?
Yes, sir, so that we get time for brushing up.
And what do you think that's what the government is going to announce?
Sir, I'm not sure what the government is going to announce, but I think they will delay it to May or April.
Okay.
But we have no idea or clue that when they will have the exam.
Anjali, what about you? You're a class 10 student. Your 10th boards are also coming up. What are you expecting? What are you hoping for, Anjali?
I'm also expecting that the exams will be held in May, because we need more time to practice, and because of the online mode, we need offline mode also.
Okay. Vanit, what do you think? Does April, May sound reasonable to you? If you've already got the government saying January or February में exam नहीं होगा, उसके बाद ही होगा.
Yes,
so April or May, does that sound reasonable to you? Is that what you're expecting?
Yes, sir.
April or May, that sounds okay to you?
Yes, sir.
Akshat, what about you?
Yes, sir. It definitely sound okay for me. First of all, I'm so curious to know about when our board exams will going to happen. But we all know that today or tomorrow we have to give our board exam. So my finger is just crossed, and I'm waiting for the best results. And I have a full trust on my minister.
Okay, you have full trust in your minister. He is going to, settle all those doubts, hopefully, in just about 40 minutes from now. Renu Sehgal, ma'am?
Yes.
What is your expectation from the minister? What a difficult year it has been. I cannot imagine, how your lives have changed in the education system. I have a young daughter also who has just entered the school system, so I know what it's like. But please